It has been exactly a week now since the disappearance of IU student Hannah Wilson. A passerby found her body in Brown County, and police arrested a man they suspect killed her. And now legal experts say Daniel Messel could face the death penalty. Good evening, everyone. I'm John Stair.
And I'm Andrea Moorhead. As you can imagine, this case has a lot of emotion, a lot of it, and a lot of unanswered questions as well. Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Brilliant spoke with a man who has spent time as a prosecutor and a defense attorney about those questions as well as the case. Jeremy.
Andrea and John, perhaps the biggest question, what happened to Hannah Wilson between the time she was last seen in the early hours of last Friday morning and when her body was found just a few hours later? We may never know the answer, and as far as convicting the suspect is concerned, that answer may not matter. In the Brown County field where Hannah Wilson's body was found, so was a cell phone, police say, belonging to murder suspect Daniel Messel. Police then found blood and hair inside Messel's car, and when he was arrested, he was carrying a trash bag full of clothes. But there are apparently no witnesses to the murder.
It's not unusual to have a circumstantial case. You let the juries put the pieces together, and these are some big pieces.
Criminal defense attorney Jack Crawford, who also served as a prosecutor, says the prosecution in this case does not have to prove motive. And if Daniel Messel never testifies about the case, that's fine too. The 49-year-old can still be convicted.
If they connect up the DNA, if they find his DNA near or on her body, or if they find her DNA in his vehicle, that's strong circumstantial evidence that he committed the killing.
And if detectives are able to show that Hannah was abducted, this could become a capital case.
It's my opinion that the state is probably considering a death penalty count in this murder case.
The Brown County prosecutor so far isn't talking about evidence or additional charges.
We will remain playing this close to the vest. I don't want to make a comment at this time.
Hannah's father is focused on the loss and mostly celebrating a young and vivacious life.
She's gone. It doesn't matter whether they find a killer or don't find a killer. I think, though, the police have been, and the detectives have done a great job. I think they're on it. I'm not too concerned about that.
Now, there are several things that would have to happen before this becomes a capital case. First, Daniel Messel would have to be charged with another felony. Then prosecutors would likely consult with Hannah Wilson's family to find out what they want as far as a penalty. And finally, there would be a question of finances. Could the county afford a death penalty case that would cost millions of dollars, including years of appeals?